Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete your friends on 8-Ball Pool. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up the 8-Ball Pool game on your device and wait for a while until it is loaded. Once the game is done loading, you will be taken into the home screen where you can immediately start playing various different modes. Now, in order to add or remove someone, you can simply tap on the Friends option alongside the Gift tab at the bottom left corner. Now from here you will see various friends that you have added onto your 8-Ball Pool game. In order to remove any of your friends, you can simply tap on the cross icon at the top right corner, and this will ask you whether you are sure that you want to remove your friend from the friends list. In order to confirm, you can simply tap on the Yes button, and this will remove your friend from your friend list. If you are unsure, tap on the No button, and then your friend will not be removed. You can do this with any number of friends that you have added to your 8-Ball Pool game. Just search for their account and tap on the cross icon at the top right corner of it. Then just confirm. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete your friends on 8-Ball Pool. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.